it was a super cool experience getting to see all the trades, like working together and collaborating all at the same time. It was a pretty rad experience. Even if you're not interested in trades, I learned a lot about a lot of different trades I didn't even know like existed. Like there's a lot more to it than you think, and it's really good. It's a good gig, and you should really try it.
But maybe doing a trade could be a better option for you if you're more a hands-on type of person.
We still have so much of a need to get young people interested in the trades, and after graduation, have them understand that this is a viable career path.
It's a good way to get your foot in the door, a good way to get your name out there.
Huge, and some of those kids look like they are ready to go now and they want to get into our trades right away. Well, heavy metals seems to be taking off, and I'm excited that it is, and I think we're going to continue to double every year, so we probably will be at 50 locations next summer. But I also would encourage other ideas in construction to do the same thing. Anything we can do to get the message across that the best kept secret is a career in the trades is what we need to do.